Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're excited to share with you our review of the new Audi RS Q8. The Audi RS Q8 is a game changer in the luxury SUV market. With its sleek and aggressive exterior design, premium interior, and impressive performance, this car is sure to turn heads. As we take a walk around the RS Q8, you'll notice its bold front grille, slim LED headlights, and curved roofline. The RS Q8's exterior design is both rugged and refined, making it perfect for both on-road and off-road adventures. Inside, the RS Q8 features a premium interior with advanced technology, including a massive touchscreen display, heated and cooled seats, and a driver-focused cockpit. The interior is designed to provide a comfortable and immersive driving experience, with features like a heads-up display and a premium sound system. But what really sets the RS Q8 apart is its impressive performance. With a powerful 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, this car can move. And with its advanced suspension system, you'll enjoy a smooth and comfortable ride. We'll put the RS Q8 through its paces, showing you what it can do in terms of acceleration, handling, and braking. You'll also see how the different driving modes, including sport and comfort, affect the car's performance. In addition to its impressive performance, the RS Q8 also features advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. But that's not all. The RS Q8 also boasts a range of convenience features, like a 360-degree camera system, parking sensors, and a premium infotainment system. We'll also take a closer look at the RS Q8's exterior design, including its bold front grille, slim LED headlights, and curved roofline. And we'll show you the different color options available, so you can choose the one that suits your style. Inside, we'll take a closer look at the premium materials and advanced technology, including the massive touchscreen display, heated and cooled seats, and driver-focused cockpit. We'll also talk to some of the designers and engineers behind the RS Q8, to get their insights on what makes this car so special. And finally, we'll give you our verdict on the RS Q8. Is it worth the hype? And how does it compare to other luxury SUVs on the market? So, what do you think of the new Audi RS Q8? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family who love cars as much as you do. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to our channel for more car reviews.